5 AI tools to explode your online income even with zero experience. What's up, guys? My name is Eric Anthony Klima. I'm the CEO of PT Legends, and we've helped over 400 people make an online income starting completely from scratch. In this video, we're gonna go over 5 innovative tools, and listen to me very closely because you have 2 choices when it comes to AI. You can either use it or you can get left behind in the dust. But here's the problem with all the news coming out about artificial intelligence. Seemingly every new AI seems like it will be the next big thing that will take everyone to the next level. But that's simply not true alone. Here's the reality of the situation. Most of the AI tools that everyone swears by will explode your income won't help you in any meaningful way. I mean, sure, they're cool and they're nice to have, but besides that, they're not gonna help you at all unless you actually execute. Here's what I mean. An AI tool should either make you more money or it should save you more time. It should make your workflow seamless and not add complexity to them. I know you might be thinking that AI sounds super complicated to use, right? How can a machine understand fitness coaching, an area that's so human? Look, AI has come a long way and it's more user-friendly than ever. It's not rocket science to make the most of these tools. Even when it comes to providing a personalized experience to all your clients, it helps you enhance that. But that might not be responsible for you when you're handling every aspect of your business and spreading yourself thin. Understand this though, that AI is not a replacement for the CEO or the coach. AI is a tool. It takes care of a lot of the data and routine tasks so that you can focus more on the human element of building relationships and making more income for the business. And I get it. Some may think that using AI can be expensive, but investing in the right AI tools can actually save you money in the long run. The AI tools we'll be going over today are designed specifically for online fitness coaching, and they've been battle tested to understand details about health, fitness, and human beings in general. So with that out of the way, the first thing that we're going to tackle today is AI-driven personalized workout plans, which is going to allow for you to stop driving to people's houses to work them out, or stop working out on Zoom and just have basically a robot do it for you. Applications like Everfit and Trainerize are tools that get you to understand your clients almost like they're right there with you. All you have to do is go on your screen, punch in their goals, put in their workout plan, put where they're at in their fitness journey, their medical history, and bam, the tool whips out a perfectly tailored workout routine. Now, you can put this all together yourself, or you can use the AI to generate exercise plans for that specific individual. Not only that, but Trainerize is constantly evolving, learning, and adapting to your clients' needs for future progress. If this isn't in your arsenal yet, you're missing out on a huge tool and a total game changer. Tool number 2, nutritional guidance with machine learning. This application is called Eat This Much, to have nutritional guidance and whip out meal plans on autopilot while you're not even creating them. And as you know, nutrition is what's really going to make or break your clients' results. This is going to dictate about 90% of your results, which is why in the online space, it usually kicks in-person trainers' asses. With this app, we're setting them up for success by easily integrating your clients' dietary restrictions and fitness goals, and also creating a variety of tasty and nutritional meal plans that isn't chicken and broccoli all day. Again, all you have to do is just throw in your clients' dietary preferences, their weight, their goals, how active they are, and it spits out a meal plan that's absolutely freaking flawless, helping you cut out all the guesswork from their nutrition. It's pretty damn scary. It's almost like an 8-year-old can come in and whip up the perfect meal plan for any human being. And hey, if you're getting some value out of this and loving these AI strategies so far, feel free to hit that subscribe button, share the shit, and ring that bell so that you can get weekly tips and tricks on growing your online coaching business and your income. I'm here to make sure that building an online fitness brand or coaching company is a lot easier and you can get there faster. This is one of my favorite ones: engagement and support. Now, the third AI strategy to use is using chatbots. You can use chatbots for client engagement and support whenever you're away from the computer. If you use Instagram, for example, you can have a chatbot like Intercom, Drift, or my personal favorite is ManyChat to engage with the people who are commenting on your stuff, who are messaging you and voting on your polls. And you can turn them into potential clients. It's also going to answer their questions, and sometimes it will take it all the way up to leading to a sales call. You can even upsell a program to them. These platforms are extremely responsive and also intuitive, and it's there 24/7 inside your inbox so that you never miss an opportunity due to your laziness or ignorance. It's going to connect and convert prospects all day. You pretty much just supercharging your customer service without blowing up your overhead and adding more employees and adding more complexity. Platforms like Intercom and ManyChat are making it super easy to set up bots that can really get the job done and make it personalized for that person. AI tool number 4, video analysis form correction. This next one is super cool. I actually just learned about it. This AI tool is a video analysis to correct your clients' forms. Your clients can pretty much just shoot a video and upload it to an app called Perch, where the AI kicks in and analyzes the videos, giving real-time feedback. And it's going to ensure that they're working out safely and also effectively. So just picture a split screen video, and on one side, you have a client performing squat. Now, Perch, on the other hand, it's going to highlight the areas of improvement and offering corrective advice. It's cutting edge, and it's like having a coach right there with them, ensuring every rep is safe and also effective. AI tool number 5, client progress tracking and predictable results. This tool is a predictive analysis to make sure that your clients are getting predictable and long-term sustainable results. Tracking your client progress, this is through an application called trainerize. It's an app that shows you a dynamic graph on your screen showing a client's progress over a time span over time. Not only does trainerize track their journey, but it also anticipates plateaus and suggests adjustments proactively, aka predictive analysis, getting your clients predictable and continuum results. This just means AI can help your clients progress a whole lot faster. Tools like trainerize are helping you stay way ahead of the game and will help you keep your clients on track and also motivated. It's data-driven coaching at its freaking finest. And it's proving you're worth every single penny of that high ticket offer that you have. So there you have it, guys. A complete rundown on using AI to save you tons of time, get your clients better results with less time, effort, and sacrifice in your coaching business. It's cutting edge, it's effective, and it's what's going to save you many hours and get you way ahead of your competition and save you tons of money that you would be spending on other employees. You've got personalized workouts, personalized nutrition plans, 24/7 chat engagement to speak with potential clients and leads. You've got form correction and predictive progress tracking, helping you get more clients, get them better results, more referrals, and more fucking revenue in your business. And hey, if you haven't already gone deep into transforming your passion for fitness into an online coaching business, then you might want to check out the description in the video below. I'm personally going to take the next 15 people and coach you one-to-one to get you to your next $10,000 per month. So if you're interested, click the link in the description somewhere. If not, that's totally cool, man. Just keep tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and share it with other coaches and trainers who need to hear this. And I'll catch you in the next video. Talk soon.